In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Renderforest Graphic Maker. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, start with a ready-made template, navigate to the design section, choose a template and style that fit your needs, and then customize it in the editor so it looks polished and on brand. Start by logging into Renderforest. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can quickly jump into creating. Logging in ensures your work is tied to your account so you can come back to it later without losing progress. Next, click on Start with Template. This is the fastest way to get professional results without starting from a blank canvas. You'll see a gallery of options built for common use cases like social posts, posters, presentations, and more. Templates are organized to save you time and help you focus on your content instead of layout from scratch. From there, go to the design section. This is where you'll find the graphic-focused templates. Think of it as your dedicated library for static graphics, including social media visuals, flyers, headers, and infographics. If you know what you're after, use the search bar or filters to narrow things down by category, size, or style. Now choose the template and style you want. Open a few previews to compare layouts, check the suggested color palettes, and make sure the format matches where you'll use it, like square for Instagram or landscape for banners. Pick a style that aligns with your brand personality: minimal, bold, playful, or corporate. And pay attention to readability and image placement so your message stands out. Then customize further in the editor. Replace placeholder text with your headline and details, and adjust fonts, sizes, and spacing for balance and hierarchy. Update colors to match your brand palette. Consistent color use makes your design feel cohesive. Swap images or graphics by uploading your own visuals or selecting from available libraries, and crop or reposition as needed to keep the subject centered. Use alignment guides to keep elements tidy, and the layers panel to bring items forward or backward without disturbing the rest of your layout. If the template includes multiple pages or variations, move between them to keep your design consistent across all versions. Don't forget to zoom out periodically to check the overall look, and use undo and redo to experiment safely. That's the streamlined workflow. Log in, start with a template, head to Designs, pick your template and style, and refine everything in the editor. Follow these steps, and you'll move from idea to polished graphic with confidence and speed.